Hello friends. Who does not know about Jack Ma? No one in life believed that he could succeed because he had failed so many times in life, that which hardly happened. You all must know that Jack Ma applied to university thrice but failed. Applied to Harvard but failed. Applied for a job in police but was rejected. When KFC China Wing came, 24 people applied for the job. Many people were hired. Only one person was rejected, and that is a Czech. Friends, after seeing so many failures, no one believed that he could ever be successful in life. But today China's rich are men. Hello friends, in today's video we will discuss Jack Ma's 4 rules. Rule 1. Learn from failure stories. So friends, if you want to be successful in life, then learn from the mistakes of others. Not from the successes of others, but learn from their failures, because no matter how smart you are, you will definitely make those kinds of mistakes. You can't avoid them, so you learn so you can deal with them. Friends, if you want to be successful, then learn how people became successful. But you must learn what they did when they failed, because life is not about your achievements, but about facing failures and standing firm in difficulties. Rule 2. Be the first. Hello friends, there are only 2 ways to be successful in life. Either become the best you can be. Do your work so well that no one can compete with you. Be the best. Or do something that no one has done till date. Do something new and different. Be the first. If there is a challenge, then accept it first. If there is a problem, then first of all you raise your hand, take responsibility, take initiative in your life to solve it. Jack Ma says that if you want to be successful, then you have to become the best. Instead of trying to be the first, only one person can win the Olympic gold medal, and you and I may not be so lucky. So always try to try something new in life. The world always remembers only those who do what they do. The thing that no one has done till date is to. Rule 3. Never give up. Hello friends, he is not successful in life, which have never failed, but there are successful who do not give up even after doing their work again and again, who keep trying. That if you think that you too cannot do the work, and you will not try, then you will stop trying. So you will never be able to do that work, but if you try, then there is hope that maybe you will do it. Shahida, you will succeed. Friends, hope never leaves you. Only you leave the hope. Always remember that the one who never falls reaches the destination, but the one who knows the trick of getting up even after falling again and again, the one who keeps trying, one who doesn't accept defeat. So never accept defeat in any situation in life, and keep trying. Rule 4. Make the move. Dreams everyone sees. Everyone has ideas, but just thinking and making a plan does nothing. Implementation is very important. 90% of the people in the world are those who have amazing ideas, but they don't have the wisdom to take a decision or do anything. They don't have the courage to make a plan. They make big plans. I will do this in life. I will do that. But the end result is that every day they zero. Every day people, they think countless ideas and bury them because they are afraid to implement them. And then they keep repenting all their life. And second, the time between an idea coming to your mind and implementing it. This is called reaction time. The lesser the reaction time of someone, the more successful he will be. Therefore, if any trick has come to your mind, then do it. Otherwise someone else will do it.